That dim interior yellow light makes finding things really hard. Time to upgrade to LED. Get this car reading interior LED light. It's small and compact and easy to install. Step 1. Remove the dome cover. Carefully remove the cover of interior dome light. Step 2. Remove old bulb. Carefully remove the old dim bulb. Step 3. Connect LED light. Connect the LED to the festoon connector and place it in the light socket. Now use a double-sided tape and stick the LED inside. Your car is illuminated. So order one now. And time for a recap. To get the best of the car accessories, go to shop.cardekho.com. And for everything else related to car, visit cardekho.com.